So here's how to connect Soundpad to Discord. First, you'll need to open your browser and then look for Soundpad and then download and install it if you don't have it. So click on download for the 64-bit or 32, depends on your system. Now double click on the installer to launch it. Now let's install it. Press next and then confirm next and install. Now once it's finished installing, click on finish and let's launch it. You should see it here, otherwise you can look for it. Click on the Soundpad app and it should look like this. Now click on File, go to Preferences, and then in this window you will need to go to the Devices tab. Now you will simply need to select your main microphone device and then enable this checkbox next to it and make sure it's only one active or checked at once, which is recommended. And now you can simply click on Apply and OK. And now we will need to go to Discord. So let me open Discord real quick. Now with my Discord open, I would click on the user settings icon and then scroll down to video or voice and video. Click on it, and then in this input device tab in here under voice section, make sure you select the same device you picked in your Soundpad devices tab. And for the output device, the same. Now you will simply close this and it will save the changes, and now you can use your Soundpad normally. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.